Hey guys, how y'all doing? Lee at Stringfield Ridge Farm. I was tagged in a video by Gil from Camppatton, and it was things that you carry with you. There's not a whole lot that I carry with me. I do have a little small pocket blade that I carry with me at all times. Then I have a little mini knife. It's got one knife blade and a couple different tools, some scissors, can opener, screwdrivers, corkscrew, I guess in case you find an old bottle of wine out in the woods somewhere. If you're lost, you can get into it. So carry that. And then I always carry at least 2 lighters with me, because you never do know when one's going to go out. And it's always good to be on the safe side. It's a whole lot quicker to start a fire like this than primitive way. But the main, if I'm in my truck, I've always got a hatchet, several different tools, usually a machete, different types of masonry twine, baling wire, just some normal things that you would carry around in a pickup truck. And but the main thing that I carry is my knowledge that I have for being able to find and knowing wild edible plants that you can forage for, knowing how to purify water to make it drinkable, different medicinal plants that's out there, knowing them, the knowledge to take a large chunk of chert and spall big flakes off of them that you can use just as a tool as it is, or to completely refine it and keep working it down till you get a finished point or blade out of it. The knowledge to know that is very good to know, because if you've got that and you can find raw material, even if it's not rock, even if you find some old glass bottles or something, you can still knot tools and points out of the bottoms of old glass bottles, TV screens, toilet tanks. There's an unlimited amount of resources that you can use if you cannot find raw material stone, because more than likely wherever you're at, there's going to be some traces of people that was there, in the past that had, glass laying around or something. But anyhow, that is the things that I carry around with me, because I do have a lot of knowledge on the primitive skills and techniques, and hunting and trapping, things of that nature. Everything from making a stone point to making a complete weapon, whether it be spear, bow and arrow, to taking a deer. So with that knowledge, I do know how to be able to make a stone point, make some other tools, harvest a stave, make a bow and arrow to be able to take down, say, a deer, to be able to process the deer, tan the hide, use the hide for clothing, warmth, or whatever other purpose I need it for, all just by knowledge and stone if I have to. So that's why I say that my knowledge is the main thing that I travel with, that is my most important thing of all. So anyways, God bless, like, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, and we will see y'all on the next video.